Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can send or receive a fax messages on your Huawei Y61. So at the start we have to open the web browser, then go to the APK Pure website because this app is not available in the Huawei store, and look for the EasyFax app. This one, just tap on it, tap on the download, and after the downloading process just install it. So I have did it before, so we can run it now. Add the permissions to the camera and files before, and if you want to add a document to send, just click on the plus. Now you can choose something from gallery, take a photo, or just PDF like from something like something from the downloaded files. I will choose something from a gallery. That one, for example. Sorry about that. And click import. Now how you can see you can add a shape of your document, and we are ready to go. Now just choose the filter for your document to make it more visible, and you can add a signature, text and graffiti by these little icons. So if you're ready, click here, and how you can see there we have a text field to type the number, and optionally you can give a small note here. Now if you want to send only this one document, only this one, just click here and that's it. But if you want to add more documents, just click on the plus and do it the same. If you want to receive a fax messages, you have to get a fax number, and to do it just tap on the incoming tab and click on get fax number. Then log in and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.